Do you want to speak English fluently? In weeks instead of years? I know what you're thinking. Learning English takes forever. I don't have time. I'll never get fluent. Well, here's the truth. Most people fail not because English is hard, but because they learn the wrong way. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you how to learn English faster than you ever thought possible, without boring grammar drills or endless vocabulary lists. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's slowing down your English learning, how to fix it instantly, the simple daily habits that make anyone fluent. And yes, these methods actually work for beginners, intermediates, and even advanced learners. Here's the first thing I need you to understand. Most people think learning English is about memorizing grammar and vocabulary. They spend hours studying irregular verbs, past perfect tenses, and word lists. But when it comes to speaking, they freeze. Why? Because knowledge alone does not equal fluency. Think about it. You know how a car engine works, right? But can you drive a car perfectly just by reading a manual? No. Fluency works the same way. You have to practice actively, not just study passively. If you want to learn English fast, you need to speak from day one. Yes, even if it's broken, even if you make mistakes. Here's what I want you to do. Start describing your day out loud. Speak to yourself in English. For example, I am making breakfast. I am going to work later. Use a mirror if it helps. Pretend you're talking to someone. Why this works? Your brain stops translating from your native language. Your brain starts thinking in English. Fluent speakers don't translate, they think directly in English. There's a method that top language learners use called shadowing. Here's how it works. Take any English video, podcast, or movie clip. Play a sentence. Repeat it exactly as you hear it. Tone, rhythm, pronunciation. It's like your brain is copying native speakers. Benefits. Improves pronunciation. Speeds up your speech. Teaches natural rhythm and sentence flow. Start with short 1 to 2 minute clips daily. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference in just a few weeks. The fastest way to learn English is to immerse yourself, even without traveling abroad. Here's how. Change your phone and social media language to English. Watch YouTube videos or movies with subtitles in English. Listen to English podcasts while commuting or walking. Read simple English articles or news for 10 to 15 minutes daily. The key is consistency, not intensity. Even 20 to 30 minutes every day beats 2 to 3 hours once a week. Many learners focus on learning individual words. The problem, you know 500 words, but you still can't speak a sentence. Solution. Learn phrases and sentences, not single words. For example, instead of memorizing important, learn, it's really important for me to finish this today. Instead of hungry, learn, I am really hungry. I want to eat something. Why this works? When speaking, your brain recalls whole sentence patterns, not single words. This makes your speech faster, more natural, and confident. Here are the 3 habits that will make you fluent faster than you think. Speak out loud every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Shadow English content daily. Copy native speakers. Think in English constantly. Narrate your actions, plan your day, or talk to yourself. If you do these consistently, you'll notice a massive improvement in just a few weeks. Here's the final secret most learners ignore. Tracking progress. Fluency doesn't happen overnight. If you don't track it, you might feel like you're not improving, and that kills motivation. Here's how to track your English progress. Record yourself speaking once a week and compare it to previous recordings. Keep a notebook of new sentences or phrases you've learned and practiced. Set small milestones. This week, I will speak 10 new sentences confidently. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Why this matters. Seeing yourself improve builds confidence, and confidence reduces hesitation, which is the ultimate goal. Remember, fluency is a journey, not a destination. Remember, learning English fast is not about studying harder, it's about practicing smarter. Don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking today. Make mistakes. Learn. Improve. Repeat. In 3 months, you could be confidently speaking English, without hesitation, without fear, and naturally. So start today. Don't wait. Your fluency journey begins now.